Bone health after 60 matters more than ever. Have you ever felt weaker bones, joint pain, or fear of falling as you age? Many seniors lose bone strength silently, until one small fall changes everything forever. After age 60, bone density can drop up to 1% every year without warning. The good news is simple foods can slow bone loss and rebuild strength naturally. Stay with me, because one food on this list surprises almost everyone watching today. Food number 1, milk and yogurt. The classic bone builders. Milk and yogurt are powerful because they deliver calcium in the exact form bones need. 1 cup of milk provides nearly 30% of daily calcium for seniors. Yogurt also contains protein, which helps bones stay flexible instead of becoming brittle. Fermented yogurt improves calcium absorption better than milk alone for many elderly people. Have you noticed bone pain or weakness lately? Tell us in the comments below. Food number 2, leafy green vegetables. Nature's bone shield. Spinach, kale, and collard greens contain vitamin K, which helps lock calcium into bones. Many seniors lack vitamin K, increasing fracture risk without any early symptoms. These greens also reduce inflammation that slowly weakens bones over time. Eating greens 4 times weekly can significantly lower hip fracture risk in older adults. Imagine strengthening bones naturally without pills or side effects, just with food choices. Food number 3, fatty fish, vitamin D powerhouse. Salmon and sardines provide vitamin D, which helps calcium actually enter your bones. Without vitamin D, even high-calcium diets cannot protect aging bones effectively. Studies show over 40% of seniors are dangerously low in vitamin D levels. Fatty fish also reduces inflammation that quietly eats away bone structure. Quick reminder, if this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and share it today. Food number 4, nuts and seeds, small foods, big bone protection. Almonds, sesame seeds, and chia seeds provide magnesium that strengthens bone structure deeply. Magnesium deficiency can silently weaken bones even when calcium intake seems enough. Just one small handful daily supports bone density and muscle balance for seniors. Seeds also improve balance and coordination, reducing fall risk dramatically with aging. Do you eat nuts daily, or will you start today? Comment below honestly. Food number 5, eggs, the forgotten bone supporter. Egg yolks contain vitamin D and phosphorus, both essential for strong bone formation. Many seniors avoid eggs unnecessarily, missing critical nutrients for bone repair. 1 egg daily supports bone metabolism without raising cholesterol dangerously. Eggs also help muscle strength, which protects bones by preventing dangerous falls. Simple habits like this can restore confidence and movement freedom again. Summary: protect your bones before it's too late. Weak bones are not a normal part of aging, they are a warning sign. These 5 foods work together to protect, rebuild, and strengthen aging bones naturally. Ignoring bone health today can lead to fractures, pain, and lost independence tomorrow. Start with one food today, then slowly build stronger habits for lifelong mobility. In our next video, I'll reveal daily habits that silently destroy bones after 60, don't miss it.